The AI Plus Pulse is the cheapest new phone release of this year by NxtQst Technologies, founded and launched by Madhav Sheth, who is the ex-CEO of the Realme brand. The new AI Plus brand is paying particular emphasis on data privacy with the tagline of "Your data stays safe and in India." Not that a buyer has any choice in this matter. So after this rather weird and unusual pre-unboxing, let's have a proper unboxing and close look at the AI Plus Pulse, which was released at 4.5K only for the first day of sale, but right now is at a whopping 6K, a massive 1.5K hike. Just about decent looks in this budget range. You cannot really expect more out of this plasticky feeling design at this low price. You do get a multiple choice of 5 colors to suit your taste. Here we have the green 464GB variant. It should be interesting to test out the actual real-life build quality of this generic-looking plasticky design. Weighing in at a not so heavy or light, comfortable weight of 193 grams, even though it looks much lighter than it really is. The not so encouraging news is that the structure seems to be a bit too soft in my usual trial bend, hoping that the build is able to survive during the actual bend test. Apart from the decent quality transparent free case, it's nice to see all the necessary accessories present inside the box, which are totally absent with much costlier devices. Now it's time to initiate the build quality test, first by testing the scratch resistance of this undisclosed tempered glass protection. The front camera is a fixed focus 5 megapixel 1080p video recording at 30 fps with LCD lighting flash. The rear camera is a 50 megapixel dual AI setup protected not by glass but plastic. 1080p video at 30 fps with a single tone LED flash. That's all we know about the cameras since very little info is out there, like for example the type of sensors used and other major details, even on popular sites like GSM. This is kind of a first, since tech info about every other device can easily be attained, unlike the AI Plus Pulse. Anyways, the degree of nervousness for the scratch resistance capabilities should be pretty high, following the recent fails on higher rated device, and the fact that the Pulse has an unnamed tempered glass protection on the display. Still, hoping for the best. Everything looks great on first look. But it becomes clear that protection is definitely required to prevent major permanent scratches. Time for the AI Plus Pulse drop test to get an idea about the drop impact resistance of this generic design and plasticky feel. As mentioned earlier, the official weight is really at a very comfortable 193 grams. In fact, it's an ideal perfect weight for a device to be at, since it neither feels too heavy or too light. Though have to admit, the AI Plus Pulse actually feels lighter in the hands. Performing the drop test with 2 pocket height low drops on both sides, followed by 2 danger high drops, which have destroyed some displays in past devices. Good to see a device, whether 4.5K, 5K or 32K, survive low drops like a champion, as it should. Next, 2 danger high drops on both sides of this plasticky build. Will it again be able to survive this time around, but with bigger crushing impact? No visible signs of physical damages, glass shatter, functional impairment or kinks on the cheap plastic. It's kind of a relief that the AI Plus Pulse manages to survive all 4 crashes in the drop test. Next, finally we had a stage for the actual real life build quality of devices and fun stuff, the bend test. If you remember, it felt quite soft AF during the trial bend. So let's see how it does when real bend pressure is applied on this generic plasticky design. A huge degree of flex, and as you can see, a prominent bulging kink at the volume buttons from the first display side bend and a slight banana shape on the plastic body. Again a massive bend degree from the backside bend, no kinks as the first, but the bend from the other angle seems to somewhat disfigure the top half of this plastic design. The Pulse likes getting into and staying in banana shapes from every bend pressure. This is by far the most flexible banana phone bend tested so far this year, and is close to a miracle that the cheap feeling plastic AI Plus Pulse has somehow managed to pass the bend test.